How to create Zedge seller account. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Zedge seller account quick guide. So let's jump onto the video. So first of all, you need to open a new browsing tab and search for zedge.net. That's the official website of Zedge. And after that, you have to click on the for artist option from here. And after clicking on here, as you can see, sell your art on the number one phone personalization app in the world. You can just simply click on register for free, and then you can continue with Facebook, Google, Apple, or continue with email. I'll just continue with Google, and I'll just simply click on my Google account and give the permission. And then you have to drag and drop a browser like public profile image, only JPG files, and max 8 MB, at least 192px width and height. Let's give it this, so wrong dimensions. Let's keep this picture, and username, let's keep it this one, and birth date, let's say 6th January 1998. And I have read, you have to check the I have read and agree to privacy policy regarding the processing of my personal information by Zedge. And you can skip I would like to receive updates and recommendations, and click on create account options. And then the seller account should be successfully created. So after that, you have to provide your business name here. So let's just go with Rick Shop, and then you have to give your country, and then continue creating, please wait. And after that, you have to uh, drag and drop browser, like you have to give the documents as your valid government ID. I'm just showing it as an demo purpose. Change, and I confirm this person warrant the content I'm uploading, and you have to check it, and I confirm that item I'm uploading complies with the name. You have to give your name. You have to add a 0075 bill, and you have to give a description here. You have to give a portfolio page if it's available, and let's say the description is this, and you have to give a tag if you have one. And after that, you have to click on continue, and then it will give you a terms and condition. You just have to simply read the terms and condition. As I am only showing you how we can create a account, I am not reading it right now. And click on I have read and agree to all the legal terms and conditions, and click on I accept. And that's how you open your seller account on this. And you can click on get approved, and you have to upload file text from, you must upload at least 6 content items of one type, and you have to add link to your portfolio page. If you provide this information with them, they will approve your account, and you can start selling your designs. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.